These phrasal verbs enhance English fluency. 100 phrasal verbs. Bring up to raise a topic, charcha karna. Break down to break, to stop working, टूटना, खराब हो जाना. Call off to cancel, रद्द करना. Get along to have a good relationship, अच्छी तरह से निभाना. Give up to quit, हार मानना. Look after to take care of, देखभाल करना. Look forward to anticipate with excitement, इंतजार करना. Turn down to reject, मना करना. Pick up to collect, उठाना. Set up to establish, स्थापित करना. Put off to delay, टालना. Make up to reconcile, सुलह करना. Run into to meet unexpectedly, अचानक मिलना. Turn up to appear unexpectedly, आना. Break up to end a relationship, रिश्ता खत्म करना. Come across to find unexpectedly, अचानक मिलना. Go over to review, समीक्षा करना. Give in to surrender, समर्पण करना. Work out to exercise, व्यायाम करना. Come up with to think of, सोचना, विचार करना. Look into to investigate, जांच करना. Hold on to wait, रोकना. Check out to inspect, जांचना. Take over to control, कब्जा करना. Cut off to stop, रोकना. Get by to survive, जिंदा रहना. Run out of to deplete, खत्म होना. Hang on to wait, थोड़ी देर इंतजार करना. Take off to ascend, उड़ान भरना. Put up with to tolerate, सहना. Turn on to activate, चालू करना. Turn off to deactivate, बंद करना. Back up to support, समर्थन करना. Show up to arrive, आना. Look out to be careful, सावधान रहना. Give away to donate, दान देना. Check in to register, रजिस्टर करना. Check out to leave, check out करना. Go through to experience, अनुभव करना. Get ahead to progress, आगे बढ़ना. Bring about to cause, कारण बनना. Show off to flaunt, दिखावा करना. Come up to appear, उभरना. Stand out to be noticeable, अलग दिखना. Work out to resolve, हल करना. Take up to start a hobby, कोई शौक शुरू करना. Settle down to become stable, स्थिर होना. Go on to continue, जारी रखना. Go off to explode, फटना. Pick out to choose, चुनना. Look back to reflect, पिछले समय पर विचार करना. Drop by to visit informally, अचानक आना. Fill out to complete, भरना. Hold back to restrain, रोकना. Let down to disappoint, निराश करना. Bring in to introduce, परिचय कराना. Come in to enter, आना. Take back to retract, वापस लेना. Run away to escape, भागना. Set aside to reserve, संग्रहित करना. Give out to distribute, वितरित करना. Come forward to volunteer, आगे आना. Call up to contact, फोन करना. Set down to write down, लिखना. Take down to write down, लिखना. Cut down on to reduce, कम करना. Drop out to quit, छोड़ देना. Take in to absorb, समझना. Check up on to verify, जांच करना. Bring down to lower, नीचे करना. Give in to yield, समर्पण करना. Put out to extinguish, बुझाना. Look up to respect, सम्मान करना. Run through to practice अभ्यास करना. Take after to resemble किसी से मिलना. Come out to appear आना. Give off to emit उत्सर्जित करना. Make out to understand समझना. Pass away to die मृत्यु होना. Run across to find unexpectedly अचानक मिलना. Check in to confirm presence register करना. Break into to enter forcibly जबरन प्रवेश करना. Bring up to mention उठाना. Take on to accept responsibility जिम्मेदारी लेना. Give up on to stop believing in छोड़ देना. Turn around to improve सुधारना. Take off to become successful सफल होना. Give out to stop functioning बंद होना. Come across is to appear to be जैसा दिखना. Look down on to despise नफरत करना. Show up to appear प्रकट होना. Back out to withdraw पीछे हटना. Go back on to break a promise वादा तोड़ना. Take over to take control नियंत्रण करना. Go after to pursue पीछा करना. Stand up for to support समर्थन करना. Put up with to tolerate सहना. Turn into submit जमा करना. Set out to begin a journey यात्रा शुरू करना. Look down upon to despise तिरस्कार करना. Break down to stop functioning खराब हो जाना. Break into to enter by force जबरन घुसना. Bring about to cause to happen कारण बनना. Bring forward to present for consideration सुझाव रखना. Call on to visit दौरा करना. Call out to shout चिल्लाना. Carry on to continue जारी रखना. Carry out to execute अंजाम देना. Catch on to understand समझना. Catch up to get up to date update होना. Check out to examine जांचना. Check in to register register करना. Check up on to investigate जांच पड़ताल करना. Clear up to clarify स्पष्ट करना. Close down to shut permanently बंद करना. Come across to find by chance अचानक मिलना. Come down with to become ill बीमार होना. Come up with to think of सोचना. Come in for to receive प्राप्त करना. Come out to appear उभरना. Come over to visit दौरा करना. Cut down on to reduce कम करना. Cut off to sever कटना. Deal with to handle संबंधित करना. Do without to manage without बिना करना. Dress up to wear formal clothes अलंकृत होना. Drop by to visit casually आना. Drop off to deliver छोड़ना. End up to eventually become अंत में बनना. Fall apart to break into pieces टूट जाना. Fall behind to be late पीछे रहना. Fall through to fail असफल होना. Figure out to solve सुलझाना. Fill in for to substitute स्थानापन्न करना. Fill out to complete भरना. Find out to discover खोजना. Get across to communicate successfully संचार करना. Get ahead to progress आगे बढ़ना. Get along with to have a good relationship अच्छे रिश्ते रखना. Get back to return वापस आना. Get by to survive जिंदा रहना. Get down to start doing शुरू करना. Get in to enter आना. Get off to leave उतरना. Get on to board चढ़ना. Get out to escape, बाहर निकलना. Get over to recover, सहना. Give away to donate, दान देना. Give back to return something, वापस करना. Give in to surrender, समर्पण करना. Give out to distribute, वितरित करना. Go ahead to proceed, आगे बढ़ना. Go along with to agree, सहमत होना. Go back to return, वापस जाना. Go by to pass, गुजरना. Go for to choose, चुनना. Go off to explode, फटना. Go on to continue, जारी रखना. Go out to leave home, बाहर जाना. Go through to experience, अनुभव करना. Go up to rise, ऊपर जाना. Grow up to mature, बड़ा होना. Hang on to hold tightly, पकड़ना. Hang out to spend time with friends, समय बिताना. Hold on to wait, रोकना. Hold up to delay, रोकना. Iron out to resolve, सुलझाना. Join in to participate, भाग लेना. Keep away to stay at a distance, दूर रहना. Keep in mind to remember, ध्यान में रखना. Keep on to continue, जारी रखना. Keep up to maintain, बनाए रखना. Let down to disappoint, निराश करना. Let in to allow to enter, आने देना. Let off to release, रिहा करना. Look after to care for, देखभाल करना. Look ahead to plan for the future, भविष्य की योजना बनाना. Look around to explore, देखना. Look down on to despise, तिरस्कार करना. Look for to search, खोजना. Look forward to await eagerly, इंतजार करना. Look into to investigate, जांचना. Look out to be cautious, सावधान रहना. Look over to review, समीक्षा करना. Make out to understand, समझना. Make up to reconcile, मिलना. Make up for to compensate, पूरा करना. Move on to proceed, आगे बढ़ना. Move out to leave, जाना. Pass away to die, मृत्यु होना. Pass out to lose consciousness, बेहोश होना. Pick out to choose, चुनना. Pick up to collect, उठाना. Point out to indicate, सुझाना. Put away to store, संग्रहित करना. Put off to delay, टालना. Put on to wear, पहनना. Put up with to tolerate, सहन करना. Run into to meet unexpectedly, अचानक मिलना. Run out of to exhaust, खत्म होना. Show off to display proudly, दिखावा करना. Show up to arrive, आना. Shut down to close, permanently बंद करना. Shut up to be quiet, चुप रहना. Sit down to take a seat, बैठना. Sort out to organize, संगठित करना. Speed up to accelerate, तेज करना. Stand by to support, समर्थन करना. Stand out to be noticeable, अलग दिखना. Stand up to rise, उठना. Take after to resemble, मिलना. Take apart to disassemble, अलग करना. Take down to write down, लिखना. Take in to absorb, समझना. Take off to ascend, उड़ना. Take on to accept responsibility, जिम्मेदारी लेना. Take over to take control, कब्जा करना. Take up to start a new activity, शुरू करना. Talk over to discuss, चर्चा करना. Throw away to discard, फेंकना. Throw out to expel, बाहर करना. Turn around to change direction, घूमना. Turn back to return, वापस जाना. turn down to reject मना करना, turn off to switch off बंद करना, turn on to activate चालू करना, turn up to arrive unexpectedly आना, wake up to awaken जगना, work out to exercise व्यायाम करना, work up to develop विकसित करना, write down to record लिखना, write off to dismiss is unimportant अगले पर विचार न करना, zip up to fasten सामान पैक करना, add up to calculate जोड़ना, ask out to invite on a date पर बुलाना, back up to support समर्थन करना, be over to end खत्म होना, blow up to explode फटना, break out to escape बच निकलना, bring in to introduce प्रस्तावित करना, burn out to be exhausted थक जाना, call up to फोन करना, carry on to continue जारी रखना, catch on to understand समझना, check in to arrive and register करना, check out to leave and pay जांच करना, come back to return वापस आना, come down to descend नीचे आना, come over to visit आना, count on to rely on निर्भर करना, cut down to reduce कम करना, cut off to sever कटना, deal with to handle संबंधित करना, do over to redo फिर से करना, dress up to wear fancy clothes अलंकृत होना, drop by to visit informally आना, drop out to quit छोड़ना, end up to result अंत में होना, fill out to complete पूरा करना, fill up to fill completely भरना, get across to successfully communicate संचार करना, get ahead to progress आगे बढ़ना, get by to manage सामान्य चलाना, get into enter प्रवेश करना, get into to start something शुरू करना, get out to escape बाहर निकलना, give away to donate दान देना, give in to surrender समर्पण करना, give up to quit छोड़ देना, go after to chase पीछा करना, go along with to agree सहमत होना, go around to circulate घूमना, go over to review समीक्षा करना, go through to experience सहना, hang out to spend time समय बिताना, hang on to hold tightly पकड़ना, hold on to wait रोकना, iron out to resolve problems सुलझाना, join in to participate भाग लेना, keep on to continue जारी रखना, keep up to maintain बनाए रखना, look after to take care of देखभाल करना, look down on to despise तिरस्कार करना, look into to investigate जांचना, look out to be cautious सावधान रहना, look up to search खोजना, make out to understand समझना, make up to reconcile मिलना, make up for to compensate पूरा करना, move on to progress आगे बढ़ना, move into enter प्रवेश करना, move out to leave बाहर जाना, pass away to die मृत्यु होना, pass out to lose consciousness बेहोश होना, pick out to choose चुनना, pick up to collect उठाना, point out to indicate सुझाना, put away to store संग्रहित करना, put off to delay टालना, put on to wear पहनना, put up with to tolerate सहन करना, run into to meet unexpectedly अचानक मिलना, run out of to use up खत्म होना, show off to display proudly दिखावा करना, shut up to be quiet चुप रहना, sit down to take a seat बैठना, sort out to organize संगठित करना, take after to resemble मिलना, take apart to disassemble अलग करना, take off to ascend उड़ना, take over to take control कब्जा करना, take up to start a new activity शुरू करना, talk over to discuss चर्चा करना, throw away to discard फेंकना, throw out to expel बाहर करना, turn around to change direction घूमना, turn off to deactivate बंद करना, turn on to activate चालू करना, turn up to appear आना, wake up to awaken जगना, work out to exercise व्यायाम करना, write down to record लिखना, write off to dismiss अस्वीकृत करना, zoom into focus closely ध्यान केंद्रित करना, zoom out to reduce the size घटाना, act up to misbehave बदतमीजी करना, back out to withdraw वापस लेना, bail out to rescue मदद करना, blow over to pass by गुजरना, break into to enter forcibly जबरन प्रवेश करना, check in to register करना, check out to examine जांचना, come by to find मिलना, add up to amount to कुल मिलाकर होना, ask for to request मांगना, be about to be on the point of के बारे में होना, be down for to be interested in रुचि रखना, blow off to ignore नजरअंदाज करना, break down to stop working ठीक से काम न करना, bring about to cause to happen कारण बनाना, bring up to mention a raise a topic उठाना, call for to require मांगना, call on to visit जांचना, catch up to get up to date ताज़ा जानकारी प्राप्त करना, cheer up to make someone feel happy खुश करना, chip in to contribute योगदान देना, come across to find by chance संयोग से मिलना, come up with to think of सोचना, count on to rely on निर्भर करना, cut out to remove निकालना, cut off to interrupt a stop रोक देना, dress up to wear formal clothes औपचारिक वस्त्र पहनना, drop off to deliver छोड़ देना, get ahead to make progress आगे बढ़ना, get by to survive करना, get in to arrive पहुंचना, get out to leave बाहर जाना, give away to donate दान करना, give up to quit छोड़ देना, go ahead to proceed आगे बढ़ना, go off to explode happen फटना या होना, go over to review समीक्षा करना, go through to examine thoroughly गहराई से देखना, grow up to mature बड़ा होना, hang on to hold tightly पकड़ना, hang up to end a phone call फोन काटना, help out to assist मदद करना, hold back to restrain रोकना, hold up to delay विलंब करना, keep away to stay at a distance दूरी बनाए रखना, keep on to continue जारी रखना, keep up to maintain बनाए रखना, let down to disappoint निराश करना, let in to allow entry अंदर आने देना, Look after to take care of देखभाल करना. Look forward to anticipate with excitement उत्सुक होना. Look out to be cautious सावधान रहना. Look over to examine जांचना. Make out to understand समझना. Make up to reconcile मिलाना. Make up for to compensate पूरा करना. Move in to start living in a new place नए स्थान पर जाना. Move on to progress आगे बढ़ना. Pick up to lift or collect उठाना. Pick out to select चुनना. Put away to store संग्रहित करना. Put off to postpone टालना. Put on to wear पहनना. Put up with to tolerate सहन करना. Run into to meet by chance संयोग से मिलना. Run out of to deplete खत्म होना. Set up to arrange सज्जित करना. Shut down to close बंद करना. Show up to appear आना. Sort out to organize संगठित करना. Stand by to support समर्थन करना. Stand out to be noticeable प्रमुख होना. Take after to resemble समान होना. Take back to retract वापस लेना. Take off to ascend उठना. Take over to take control कब्जा करना. Take up to begin शुरू करना. Talk over to discuss चर्चा करना. Throw away to discard फेंकना. Throw out to expel बाहर करना. Turn around to change direction घूमना. Turn down to reject अस्वीकृत करना. Turn off to switch off बंद करना. Turn on to switch on चालू करना. Turn up to arrive आना. Wake up to awaken जगना. Work out to exercise व्यायाम करना. Write down to write लिखना. Work on to focus on काम करना. Work up to develop विकसित करना. Zoom into focus more closely नजदीकी से देखना. Zoom out to reduce focus कम करना. Act up to behave badly बदतमीजी करना. Back up to support समर्थन करना. Be out of to not have any more नहीं होना. Be up to be engaged in मशगूल होना. Blow away to impress चौंका देना. Blow up to explode फटना. Break off to separate अलग करना. Break into enter forcibly जबरन प्रवेश करना. Break into to enter by force जबरन प्रवेश करना. Bring about to cause कारण बनाना. Bring back to return लौटना. Bring down to lower कम करना. Bring in to introduce परिचय करना. Bring on to cause लाना.